Hello and welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, we are going to talk about the Microsoft PowerPoint. So, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a closed source of commercial presentation program developed by Microsoft, and we will cover the basics of it. So, what are the contents that we are going to actually cover? So, how to open a presentation, how to open a new presentation, save a slide, create a new slide, add slides, insert pictures or art clips, format pictures, format fonts and header and footers, and some other things that we're going to cover in detail. So follow us around. So first of all, we're going to start with how to create a new presentation. So if you go on Microsoft PowerPoint, the first you can see lots of tabs on the top. The first tab is called the File tab. So when you select File, then to the New, and you can easily see blank presentation. The shortcut for this is Control N. So if you press Control and N together, then you will have a new presentation by default. So how to open an existing presentation? So again, you just go to File and Open, and then you can easily open any presentation that you want. The shortcut for this is you should hold Control button plus O, and O is the short term for open, and you can open any existing presentation that you want. Saving a presentation is also as easy as it sounds. So again, in File, further down, we have Open up here, New Presentation also there. Then we have Save As, Control S saves the presentation. How to add a slide. So our PowerPoint must consist of several slides that you want to present to an audience. In order to create a new slide, you just go to the Home tab button up here, and then select New Slides. And you can easily add a slide and edit it. How to insert pictures? So you just go to Insert button and select Pictures, and select the picture that you want from your libraries or anywhere else on your computer, and then insert at the end. So just put Open, and it will be inserted into your slides. How to insert an art clip is basically the same process. So you go through the Insert button, and then select Clip Art, and then you will have a new Windows open for you, and you can select from there. How to format pictures. So whenever you insert a picture, you get such a thing around it in order to edit it. So you can resize the picture, or rotate it, or even crop it. And you can see crop up here, rotate also here. And also you can add formats, so shadows or anything else that you want to the picture that you want to edit. How to format fonts. So like for example, you have a text in your slides and you want to change its font. You just have to select the text, go to the Home tab button up there, and then resize it or change its font. You can bold or underline the text as well. How to insert a header and footer. So you go to the Insert button, then click on Header and Footer, and allows you to add header and footer to your slides. But this is used usually for date and time, if you want to add it to every slide that you want. How to insert a hyperlink. So hyperlink is the link that you put on your slides, and when you click, you can go to any slides along your PowerPoint. And it's basically a link, but it's called hyperlink. So how to put a hyperlink in your slide. So you just go to the Insert ribbon, and then select hyperlink. Then you just copy and paste the link from the website into your link box. You can see the screenshot of that process here. How to insert tables. So you go to the Insert tab button up there, then Table, and just select the table that you want. You just have to resize it based on the table that you would like to use. How to insert charts. Again, you just have to go to Insert tab button up there, and then select Charts. and it gives you a variety you can choose from it. When you go to the design button, you can see you have many slides to choose from. You can also add from the internet or download more designs, and you can see it has a very nice theme to it, so choose along. You can add transitions to your slides. So for example, when you go to the transition button, there are some effects that you can add, and some of them are very, very nice, but in formal presentations you shouldn't use transitions. So how to rearrange slides. To move a slide, click on the slide thumbnail in the left column, drag and drop the slides at the desired location. So you just have to select the slide and then choose its position, basically. To move consecutive slides at one time, click and hold the shift key as you select the slides you want to move. Drag and drop the slides at the desired location. So how to preview a presentation? It's as easily as it sounds. So you just go to the slideshow ribbon, select the point in the slideshow that you would like to begin viewing from current slide, and the shortcut for presenting is F5. So if you would like to view the outline, you just go to the outline tab here, and then the second option is outline view to show the slideshow as it's and you can add your notes here, and while presenting you can just look at your notes. Print handout. So if you want to print your slides for your audience or after your presentation, you just go to file and then select print, and you can easily print your slideshows. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, comments below, and we will try our best to answer. Subscribe and like to our YouTube channel in order to support us. Thanks again. Have a great day.